Hey everyone, and welcome to Digital Doc. Today, we're diving into the world of making professional-looking videos with your phone. That's right, you don't need fancy equipment to create high-quality content. In this video, we'll break down the process into 5 simple steps that will take your phone videos from amateur to awesome. So grab your phone, unleash your creativity, and let's get started. Step 1. Background clip. First, we need a captivating background. Head over to YouTube and search for motion background videos. Remember, make sure the videos you use are free to use. Another option is to visit websites like Pixabay or Pexels. Here you can search for abstract backgrounds or abstract motion backgrounds to find some really cool visuals. Once you've found the perfect background video, download it and import it into your editing app. Popular choices include iMovie, KineMaster, or CapCut. Step 2. Adding voiceover. Now, let's add some narration. Use your phone's built-in recorder or an app like Audacity to record your voiceover. Step 3. Importing and editing voiceover. Import your recording into your editing app. If there are any mistakes or pauses you don't want, simply cut those sections out by using the timeline tool. Here's the magic. Drag and drop the voiceover clips onto the timeline to match them with the corresponding parts of your video. This will ensure your voiceover flows smoothly with the visuals. Step 3. Adding elements and sound effects. Let's make this video even more engaging. Most editing apps allow you to add stickers, text, screenshots, or even other video clips. Don't forget the sound effects. They can add a whole new dimension to your video. You can find sound effects online for free or record your own. Step 4. Editing cuts and framing. Now comes the editing magic. To keep your video concise and interesting, make sure you cut out any unnecessary parts. Remember, you want your video to flow seamlessly. While you're editing, take a look at the framing of your shots. A simple adjustment can make a big difference in the overall quality of your video. Step 5. Transitions. Transitions are those smooth effects that connect different clips in your video. Most editing apps offer a variety of transitions to choose from. Pick one that complements the mood and style of your video. Adding transitions is easy. Simply drag and drop them between the clips you want to connect on the timeline. Additional tips. Here are some bonus tips for creating professional-looking phone videos. Lighting is key. Make sure your video is well lit for optimal quality. Natural light is always a good choice. Steady those shots. Invest in a small tripod for your phone. It will help eliminate shaky footage and give your video a more polished look. Be patient. Video editing takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't come naturally at first. The more you create, the better you'll become. That's it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating professional-looking videos with your phone. So grab your phone, get creative, and don't be afraid to experiment. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content.